Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on SMC tutorials, and we're going to be continuing our series on how to navigate the SMC DAO app. And what we're going to be learning today is how to start a new conversation with a member on the SMC DAO app. Okay, before we dive into the tutorial, if you find our content helpful, you can support our channel by buying our educational token, WikiCat. WikiCat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network, and the contract address of WikiCat will be provided in the description. Alright guys, so let's dive right into the tutorial. Alright, so in this tutorial, what we're going to be learning basically is how to initiate direct conversations with other members on the SMC DAO app. And also I'm going to be explaining some chat features and messaging options on the SMC DAO app. And we're going to start by launching SMC DAO app. Alright, select. Alright, so once here, select the chat tab. Alright, so one way you can actually start chatting privately with people is by searching them with their username. So select the search box and then input the username of the person that you want to chat with. Alright, so I'm going to start a private conversation with this guy. Right, so I'll select, and you'll see some information about this person, the number of badges that they own, their intelligence score, their gender, their occupation, their birthday, and when they joined the SMC DAO app. So to start chatting, select message. Alright, so you can see that it's showing that the person is offline. Right, so when the person is online, you'll see online, but then I can still drop a message. So to drop a message, select this box and say hello, send. Alright guys, is that easy? Alright, so I can also send an attachment like a picture or a video. So just select the spin icon, and then depending on what you want to send, I'll send a picture. Select gallery, select that which you want to send, and then select add. Alright, you can add a caption to what you're sending, right, and then select send. Whoa, amazing. So we've sent that over. You can also send voice notes, right, by selecting the mic and that's it, sent. Alright, so when you select this three dot icon, you see some features, right, that would allow you to block a user, report a user, or mute a user so you don't get notifications whenever they send you a direct message. So if you want to block a user, just select block and then confirm this message by selecting block, right? If you want to report the user, select report, input your reports, and then submit. Right, so that's it. Alright, so next I'm going to show you how to send direct messages to group members. So go back. Alright, so you can see that this guy is now listed on my chat list, so everyone that you chat with will be listed here. Alright, so let's learn how to chat with a group member. So open the group. Alright, say I want to chat with this guy now, right? I'll just select, and then it takes me to the profile of the guy like we saw with the other person. So select message, and that's it, right? You can now send your message to the person. Send. Easy. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of the tutorial. Thank you guys for watching the tutorial video. If you have questions concerning the tutorial, please do not hesitate to drop your questions in the comment section. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in another tutorial. Bye.